Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys how can you change your phone date in your Tecno phone. Guys, you want to change guys your phone date in your Tecno phone, so as you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change phone date in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your phone date. Then guys scroll it. Then guys you can see your phone system settings. So guys tap here. Guys click on date and time setting. And guys you can see your date setting is not working. So guys first of all guys, automatic time zone guys we will off here, and guys off this. Use network provide time, and guys you can set change your dates now. So guys you can change from here. Guys you can use like as example guys October 22. Then guys you can take from here 22 October. And guys you can see that this month list, date list and year list. So as you can change from here. So example I will change it October 22. So as my phone date will change. So I hope friends you have understood how to change phone date in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.